Hello, everybody. This is going to be a quick demo on how to deal with some problems that you may encounter on Calculate Next Position. As you know, after you've cloned your repo and imported your project inside of the source folder, you will find a package for each of the extensions, including Mouse Chaser, which has this file, Chase the Mouse. And I have hidden the solutions to these problems here, but we can see that we're working on Calculate Next Position. And if I scroll down, I put this down because I'm going to revert the changes that I made that are slightly broken to this program. And if I run Chase the Mouse as a Java application, you can see that it's going to come up and it's going to chase my mouse. Now, if it catches up, I don't know if you can see with the Zoom recording, it's sort of fighting it now. It's sort of going back and forth, and it doesn't quite work. And that's not what we want. We want it to just sort of stop directly when you get there. So if you check out the Calculate Next Position debug app and run it, sort of try to explain what's going on here. So I want you to imagine this outer circle is the maximum amount that this ball should move. So if I go all the way to here, right, no matter where the mouse is, given the amount of time that has passed and the speed, sort of this circle represents the perimeter of how far it should possibly move, right? Now, if I come inside of this circle, right, and the mouse is closer, we obviously don't want to overshoot the mouse and go all the way to the edge of the circle. And so that's what Calculate Next Position is telling us to do. And that's what this little program is visualizing, is that you're saying, keep moving all the way to the edge. As is usually the case, I have squirreled away the correct version of this in Git. And one of the nice things about Git, always commit early and often so that you can go back to previous revisions if you want. I'm going to discard the changes that I made to that program that broke it. And now when I run Calculate Next Position app, you can see, or debug app, you can see that it's working well in here. And then when I get inside of this maximum, amount that I want to move, it only goes that far, right? And how that will play out if I run Chase the Mouse, and luckily, you see when I clicked on it, it brought it over. Now, when I run that as a Java application, you can see that it's going to chase and find it and just stop once it gets to there. And so I want you to think about, well, how do I get that desired behavior? And hopefully the debug app will help you. And if you, hopefully things will go well in this extension. If you run into trouble, just reach out to us. We're always here to help.